हेलो बच्चों, द क्वेश्चन सेज डिस्क्राइब द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ए बॉम्ब कैलोरीमीटर। क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया कि डिस्क्राइब कीजिए कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बॉम्ब कैलोरीमीटर। तो इस क्वेश्चन के लिए हमारे पास जो की कॉन्सेप्ट यूज हो रहा है दैट इज बॉम्ब कैलोरीमीटर। बॉम्ब कैलोरीमीटर। ओके, तो बात कर लेते हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन की। तो हेयर the bomb calorimeter is used to determine the calorific value of solids and liquid fuels. So the bomb calorimeter is used to determine the calorific value of calorific value of solid and liquid fuels. Liquid fuels. ओके, तो ये कंसिस्ट करता है एक स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टील सेल। here it consists of a strong steel cell, strong steel cell known as a bomb, known as a bomb. So it consists of a base, it consists of a base which supports the which supports the platinum crucible, platinum crucible and is screwed to the body of the bomb, to the body of the bomb. Okay, the top of the bomb carry an oxygen supply. The top of bomb carries an oxygen supply. Oxygen supply connection and a valve of to release the product, to release the product. ठीक है, ये थी कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बॉम्ब कैलोरीमीटर। तो ड्रॉ करते हैं इसके लिए डायग्राम। तो हियर बॉम्ब कैलोरीमीटर डायग्राम इज लाइक दिस। यहाँ पर है हमारे पास डायग्राम फॉर बॉम्ब कैलोरीमीटर। दिस इज द डायग्राम। सो यहाँ पर है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द इलेक्ट्रिक हीटिंग डिवाइस स्टार्ट द रिएक्शन inside the cabinet there is a electrical heating device. Okay, that is the electric heating device. Electric heating device. Okay, and the bomb, the reactant are put in here and bomb is sealed. इसके अंदर क्या रखा जाएगा? The bomb, that means the reactant are put in here and this bomb is surrounded by water. The bomb is surrounded by water. ठीक है, which absorb the heat from the reaction. And जो stirrer है ensure that the water is at uniform temperature. So here the stirrer. Okay, that is the stirrer ensure that the water is at uniform temperature. The stirrer ensure water is at uniform temperature. Water is at uniform temperature T. Okay, and for reactions that involves a gas as a reactant, that is oxygen for combustion reaction, the gas enter the bomb via this valve. Okay, कहाँ से enter करेगी? This is the valve. Okay, here this is the valve. And the thermometer record the temperature rise of water is this. Okay, यहाँ पर हमारे पास थर्मोमीटर. So the thermometer, थर्मोमीटर. ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारे पास डायग्राम फॉर bomb calorimeter and this is the construction. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck. Thank you.